Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today, I'm going to be starting on my doors. So I got a new set of doors. I don't even know if you can, yeah, you can see them. They're over, no, you can't see them because of the hoist arm. I brought them in, they've been outside for the last couple months. And what I'm gonna do is, being that I'm painting the Jeep, it's going green. If you guys watched my last video, they kind of explained like my plan for this thing in the winter. I'm basically just gonna strip those doors of like the panels and stuff because they're all faded because it sat on a Jeep that was in a pound for like 7 years. So the panels are shot, the door handles are shot. I'm obviously gonna be putting my locks in them. What I am gonna be buying is probably door handles, outside and inside, because I don't know if I know my outside ones are stiff. I don't know about the inside ones. I'm probably gonna have to order door pins, because I think those ones, I don't know if you can reuse them or not. I don't think so. Because like with my door, I have door sags, so like my striker and everything's really messed up. I'm probably gonna have to order door pins, door handles, and probably some weather stripping stuff to go around the door, unless I can reuse the old stuff on my old doors. So my dad's kind of busy over here with his sawhorses, so I got an old table at my grandmother's that I'm gonna start pulling everything off with.
These are so heavy. It's so wet.
And dirty. Oh. Jesus. As you guys can see, these doors, they obviously do need, let me focus that. Try and get close. These doors obviously need some work. Like, they're not perfect, but they're a lot better than mine. So mine, can I even open it? My doors, see if I can show you that. If I had the weather stripping off, it'd probably be easier. They're just gone. There's nothing left. They're gone all the way around. They're not worth fixing. Now, the one thing that I am gonna save from these old doors is gonna be the weather stripping, because it is in really good shape. Put that back in manual autofocus. I'm gonna save the weather stripping because it's in really good shape. And I did put a little tear in this like vapor barrier sound wind deadening thing. But I am gonna keep that as well, because I don't know what the ones on my doors look like. So maybe we'll be able to reuse this. If not, we'll have to makeshift our own. But I gotta go watch a video and figure out how to get a lockout and the door handle out. And then that's kind of my piece of prepping it for paint, because I don't know what I'm really doing. That's kind of my uncle. He's gonna tell me what I need to do and then I'm gonna do it. But right now, this is where I'm at. Okay, that was very intricate to get this frickin' door handle out. I don't have the new door handles yet. What did I just drop? Hope I didn't need that. I don't think so. I think I already have all the pieces that I need. Yeah, this one is in a lot worse of shape than what mine is. But if I'm gonna be painting the thing and I want it to get it to look really good, gotta replace the door handles. Now the next step is the lock, which is where? Oh, it's right there. Okay, how the hell do I do that? Old lock is out now as well. So I got all my nuts and bolts, all that stuff in passenger door bag. I can probably get rid of that lock and door handle because I don't have the key for that lock, hence the reason I'm taking the lock out. But as of right now, I brake cleaned the whole door. I got my bag of stuff. I got to write passenger on that as well, so I know. And then now I just go onto the drivers and do the same thing. And I'll show you guys what that looks like when it's done. that one took me, I don't even know how long, my camera died in the middle of it. But this one is the this is the drivers. So this one, the door bottoms are actually like no rust at all, which is kind of crazy to me because this sat on a Jeep in the back of a pound, basically in the mud for like 7 years. So this one's probably not gonna need any attention. What's the front look like actually? I don't even know. Because I know the other one on the pillar here, it needs a little bit of touch-up work. This one, as I drop everything. Oh yeah, this one will need a little bit, but not much. Yeah, just here and here, I think. And I think that's it. But yeah, these doors are in a lot better condition than mine, which I'm pretty stoked about. This brake clean has no pressure left in the can at all. Like literally nothing. There's brake clean in here. There's just no can pressure, like at all. So I don't really remember where I left off yesterday, but I tried to get the glass out of the window frame and I actually need like glass removing tools to do it. I can't do it the way I was thinking I could. There's a whole process that goes behind removing glass from a frame. So I am gonna leave this video here. There'll probably be more that'll be coming on these doors. Once I start getting the paint and getting everything set up, I'll make another paint type video. But right now I got the doors kind of tucked away. I got all the hardware with them just beside my tool bench here. But I hope you guys kind of understand where I'm coming from. I wanted to try and get something started, something going. So I got the door handles out, all that stuff removed, ready for all the new stuff, my locks, the whole nine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Boosh!